Good morning, Jamaican. Good morning, Jamaican poor people. Because I know some I suffer real bad. Things rough out there we do no Rasta. You see how the thing what happened the other day when JPS come in the community Rasta, the poor community, and lack of life for everybody that are arms out. Something they're not supposed to go on in the Jamaica scene. Some people are thief light. That is JPS responsibility to pursue those people that is stealing light and lack off them like that when you catch them. But you can't come into the community like you're a bad man and strong and not lack off light for everybody. This is one time I man look upon and respect the government them in Jamaica and the leader of the opposition, because both of them join hand in hand, my brethren, and fight the oppressor. Yeah man, fight the oppressor. We oppress the poor them every day and text it like bloodsuckers upon poor people. Light bill is already hard and high to pay. See? Yes, still the people who are struggle to pay the light and keep abreast of the law and not break no laws. You want coming to them community and just lock off them light. One to the things where them up on the fridge. They have to send them kids go to school, them have to iron clothes. One to the other areas, the shop them where pay. One to the people where I run them churches where pay. One to the other people where I run them school where pay. I want to deal with. You can't just go into the community and because of the name JPS. So I'm appealing to you, Kelly Tamlin. You are the CEO of JPS, Jamaica Public Service. See? You come like say, only really have the heart and a conscience for the people in Rasta. Seriously speaking, we know that JPS is losing a lot in terms of revenue and some people are thief some light. Me agree with that because I is a law-abiding citizen. See, so we do not condone to anyone breaking the law. But at the same time, JPS, if you have some conscience for the people, them barely can find food to eat, much less pay a light bill and water and rent. Look how much thing the people have to go through. Peer stress. And Jamaican people, I blame on it, you know. Here why I blame on it. The Honorable Marcus Garvey done shown our blueprint how to get out of poverty. Yes, man, Marcus Garvey had the blueprint. The philosophy and the opinion of Marcus Garvey is the blueprint of how you must use your mind, be self-aware, be self-determined, be self-reliant. You can do for self-rasta. So, poor people, wake up and start thinking. You know, so the rent, the pound and the light bill and the water and the whole we're cloud in the mind. But at the same time, when you start to think, Rasta, just sit down someday, ease off the rent off of your mind. Nobody think about that because that done already. Ease off the light off of your mind because nobody think about that. That done already. All you have to do is think about how you get the money from. No, the thing is, the plan is simple. Because the Honorable Marcus Garvey teach it simple to and guess what? It works every time. You see anything where you want, just sit down, concentrate on it long and hard, see yourself having it every day. Don't ask somebody no question where the money come from. Just use your power of your mind. And once you can utilize the power of your mind, anything that you think, you can manifest it into being. Look at the man who makes cellular phone. You know, so a whole of people must look upon him and say, boy, the piece of instrument where you go talk to people from so to England, from England to America, from America to France, and from France to Switzerland. You's a madman. But the man who invented the telephone wasn't a madman. Him think and know so the power of the mind can manifest anything into being. And in so doing, him think about this phone and the phone thing work. Because guess what? The Almighty God created all of us equal. Every man have a mind, brethren. Every man can sit down and think. So don't make the whole party distract from the truth, Rasta, and from the power that holds within you. Because you're a God, the Almighty make all men equal. Some man is supposed to have things that the next man have nothing. So Kelly Tamlin, you're the CEO for JPS. I love how the government them join hand in hand, Rasta. I have to big up Portia Simpson, I have to grab the thing, grab the bull by the hand. And Andrew Owens, you work hard, my brother. This is a time that we need everyone to come together. The Honorable Emperor Haile Selassie, His Imperial Majesty said we must organize and centralize. Centralize and organize. Whichever way you want to put it first, Rasta. And then Marcus Garvey said you must use the power of your mind. So poor people, anytime you're in a rut and your back is against the wall, utilize your mind. Because your mind can take you places. When I was a little boy, I used to travel all America. I never used to use no plane and everything there. We used to just think how America look like. And guess what? Me dead there. The power of the mind is a powerful tool. ease off the pressure for the poor people in Rasta. JPS come up with an amicable solution, see? Where you can prorate certain people, because certain people not have it Rasta. And guess what? No man not want to sleep in the darkness in the year 2014. No mad. Man say, boy, I prefer go to jail or prison in Rasta. Me not sleep in no darkness. That was yesterday. So bring down the light upon a tolerable level, so every man can respect the fact that it's a business JPS around, see? And pay the light bill, pay the water bill, pay the rent if the landlord, you know. So ease up on the poor people, my brother. Don't stress them out more than what them stressed out already. Things too bad and hard in Jamaica for them to get more stress from us. See? Ease off the pressure for the poor people. See? And guess what? Immediately cease and desist from cutting off any more light in any more community. And that's when they can come up with an amicable solution. See? And then poor people think the power of the mind. Remember them say, and me say so, a mind is a terrible thing to waste. Rastafari.